Hello children, we already discussed about divisibility rules. In that, rule 2 in previous session we discussed a number can be divided by 2 if the last digits is even, means 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now, divisibility rule for 3. Here, a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of the digits is multiple of 3. Even we have discussed about this in the previous session. In the last video, if you visit, you can get these rule 2 and rule 3 with examples. Now divisibility rule for 6. So to be check out divisibility rule for 6, we have to check it first divisibility rule for 2 and then divisibility rule for 3. When these two are possible, means when a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. So here few examples are here 3, 4, 8. So 348 in the units place 8. So it can be divisible by 2 and sum of the digits. Let you check for sum of the digits. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. So 15 is a multiple of 3. So that it is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Now rule for 4. What is the rule for 4? Here the last two digits must be divided by 4. Last two digits. For example, let you see the first problem 3466. So 66 it is not divisible by 4. So this number is not divisible by 4. And last second one 1288. So 88 is divisible by 4. So the number is divisible by 4. Now come to the divisibility rule for 9. Here the sum of the digits must be multiple of 9. Here sum of the digits must be multiple of 9. In the same divisibility rule for 3 where it has sum of digits of 3. Here divisibility rule for 5. In the units place a number should have 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. See few examples. Here first number is 25. So units place what? 5. So it is divisible by 5. And second one 500. So units place digit as 0. So it is divisible by 5. So these are the few examples to say the number is divisible by 5 or not. So you can solve some more examples. Now divisibility rule for 6. So to be check out divisibility rule for 6, we have to check it first divisibility. So a number is divisible by 10 if the number ends in 0. See all the numbers have end digit as 0, 0, 0, 0. So these are the examples to say number is divisible by 10.